everyone, and welcome to Vital Vibes Life. What if one of the best things you could do for your health didn't require a gym membership, expensive equipment, or a complicated workout plan? What if it was as simple as going for a walk? Just 30 minutes of walking a day can have a powerful impact on both your body and your mind. And the best part? Almost anyone can do it. Today, we're looking at 7 benefits of walking for just 30 minutes a day. Let's get started. Benefit number 1, heart health. Your heart is a muscle, and like any muscle, it benefits from regular activity. A daily walk helps improve circulation and keeps blood moving throughout the body. Over time, this simple habit can help support a healthier cardiovascular system. Benefit number 2, maintaining a healthy weight. Here's something many people don't realize. You don't have to do intense workouts every day to support a healthy weight. Simple daily movement can make a difference. Walking helps burn calories and supports a healthy metabolism. And when those walks become a regular habit, the benefits can add up over time. The secret isn't intensity. The secret is consistency. Benefit number 3, improving mood. Have you ever gone for a walk when you felt stressed and returned feeling a little better? There's a reason for that. Walking can help reduce stress and improve your overall mood. A few minutes outdoors can sometimes be enough to reset your day. Benefit number 4, more energy. This one surprises a lot of people. You'd think using energy would make you feel more tired, but regular movement often has the opposite effect. Many people find that walking helps them feel more alert, focused, and energized throughout the day. Benefit number 5, better mobility and balance. Have you ever noticed that movement feels easier when you stay active? Walking helps keep the body moving naturally. It supports flexibility, balance, and overall mobility. And those benefits become even more valuable as the years go by. Staying mobile can help you remain active, confident, and independent. Benefit number 6, better sleep. A good night's sleep affects almost every part of our health. Regular physical activity can help you fall asleep more easily and enjoy more restful sleep. And when you sleep better, everything tends to work a little better. Benefit number 7, healthy aging. This may be the most important benefit of all. Walking helps support strength, mobility, balance, and overall physical function. These are the qualities that help us stay active and enjoy life as we get older. Final thoughts. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is consistency. You don't need to walk 5 miles a day. You don't need expensive equipment. You simply need to start. One walk, one day at a time, because small habits, repeated consistently, often create the biggest results. Thank you for spending a few moments with me today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who may benefit. Until next time, keep growing, keep thriving, and live well. This is Vital Vibes Life.